Why do more than 95% of traders lose money? In a zero-sum game, for every loser, there should be a winner. So how is it that 95% lose, but only 5% win? It doesn't add up, right? Well, there's newsfight. There's no mistake in the math. And in this video, you'll understand exactly why. This market doesn't punish you for being small. It punishes you for being unprepared. 95 people lose, each maybe $1,000. Meanwhile, 5 people win, making five $20,000 each. Same total money, different outcome. That's the zero-sum game, and that's how this system feeds the prepared using the unprepared. Now picture this. You're swimming in an ocean full of sharks. You're either prey, or you know how to move like a predator. But here's the catch. You don't have to be a shark. Just be a remora, the small fish that swims alongside the shark. They don't fight. They don't get eaten. They know where to be. That's how smart traders survive. You don't have to dominate the market. You just need to understand how to live in it. So why do most traders fail? Because they jump in with emotion, not with structure. They chase wins, but run from losses. They rely on gut feeling instead of proven systems. They expect fast gains without slow learning. And worst of all, they never respect risk. This is what separates the 95% from the 5%. The winning traders, they think in probabilities, they follow a system, they manage risk first, profit second, they wait, they learn, they master the boring parts of trading, and they don't rely on luck. They rely on mindset. That's where we come in. At Prime Trade Club, we don't just give signals, we give you the thinking behind them. Our indicators, like compass axis, help you spot the extremes, but tools alone aren't enough. What makes the difference is the culture. We teach you how to trade like a professional, slow, consistent, strategic, not just for today, but for every day. This channel isn't here to promise fast wins. It's here to build real traders with real tools, real mindset, and real discipline. So if you're tired of losing like the 95% and ready to learn how the 5% think and trade, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment below, what's holding you back in trading right now? This isn't just a YouTube channel, this is a mindset. Welcome to Prime Trade Club.